One of the most famous spinning babies moves is the forward leaning inversion. So I'm going to go through it step by step so you know exactly how to do it. If you are pregnant, please do this with somebody with you the first time you do it and anytime you feel unstable. Your helper should have their hands on your shoulders so that if you get dizzy, you don't crash on your head. It's very important. So what we're going to do is we're going to start in a sitting position on the couch, hands on the couch. You're going to come up to your knees, make sure you're close to the edge, and go straight up. You're going to slowly put your hands on the side of the couch. And I'm saying slowly because you can get dizzy when you're doing this. And then one hand at a time down to the floor. And now we're going to go to our elbows, one elbow at a time. Your head will never touch the floor. It should be hanging free and tucked a little bit, just like you want your baby's head to be. And then you just stay here for 3 breaths. When it's time to come out, you're going to go backwards. One hand, back up to the safety position, which is sitting right here. And then you're going to end back up on your knees. So this position right here gives your uterus a moment to settle back in where it needs to be. So make sure you come back up here before you get up. And then back down on your butt and mermaid tail out. You don't want to undo what you just did. There you go.